Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Cajun steak casserole. Alright guys, I'm starting out here with some eye around steaks. And I'm going to season them. I'm going to start with a little black pepper. And it's going to be a one pot meal, one pan meal. So there won't be much to clean up. And it'll be fairly simple to put together. I'm going to hit this with a little bit of salt. Now I'm going to use some Cajun seasoning. I'm using a Slap Ya Mama. They sell this at Walmart if you want to know where to get it. And I'm sure down south you can buy this just about everywhere. Probably even buy it at the pharmacy. I'm going to season my steaks with that. Now I'm going to turn my steaks over and season the other side. Okay, now that I have my steaks all seasoned, I transfer them into a 9x13 baking pan. And I'm going to take some beef broth and I'm going to add some in here. Trying not to wash the flavoring off the steak. There, I just doused it. And I'm gonna go for about a cup of beef broth, guys. Alright. Now I have some Worcestershire sauce. I'm gonna hit my steaks with a little bit of that. And we're really gonna get some good flavors infused in these steaks, guys. Alright, now I have probably about 3 pounds of russet potatoes I cleaned and I cut into big chunks. We're going to get them in on top of the steaks. And like I said, this is going to be a one pan meal. Everything's going to be all together in here. So you won't have to have a bunch of pots and pans going on your stove for supper. Okay. Now I have 3 carrots, 2 medium onions, and 1 green bell pepper I cut up. We're going to get that in there. Just spread it around evenly. Looking good, guys. Okay, now the same seasonings that I seasoned the steak with, I'm going to go ahead and season the vegetables. I'm going to hit that with a little bit of soy, or a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, not soy sauce, guys. Pepper. A little more salt. And a little bit of that, more of that Slap Ya Mama. Okay, now I'm going to cover this with foil. And I'm going to put this in a 350 degree oven, covered in foil, for an hour and a half. Then when my hour and a half's up, my vegetables should be nice and tender, and my steak should be nice and tender, and this will be ready to go, guys. Alright guys, it's been an hour and a half. I just took this out of the oven. It's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. We'll start with some steak first. See how nice and tender that is, guys? Cooked through. Really good. Tender. Good beefy flavor. Has the seasoning come through that we seasoned with the Cajun seasoning. Salt, pepper, Worcestershire. Try some vegetables, guys. You can see my vegetables are cooked through, but they're not mushy, nice and tender. That's really good, guys. It's spicy, but not too spicy. Alright, there you have it. Cajun steak casserole. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.